All right, so hopefully you have gone to IXL and worked on find measures of complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. Um, yes, you should have done that and gotten a SMART score of 90 or better. I will work a few of these with you to get you started. I'm going to work number 1, and I want you to jump all the way to number, what is it, 16? Oh, is it? Yes, number 16. You're going to do number 16 on, is it going to let me draw on it? In white. You're going to do number 16 on your own. And that is a U. You're going to do number 16 on your own. Okay? I'm going to do number 1, and you'll go do 16 on your own. Okay, number 1, what is the value of D? What is the value of D? Well, we can see right away that this is a right angle, and right angles are equal to 90 degrees. So this whole angle is equal to 90 degrees. So we're going to set it equal to 90 degrees. They want us to know the value of D, so we're going to do D plus, and this angle, they're telling us what this angle is. It's 30 degrees. So D plus 30 degrees. We're solving for D. So we're going to do the inverse of addition, or opposite of addition, and subtract 30 from itself. That's going to cancel out. What we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other. So that's 90 minus 30, or 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, and that gives us 60 degrees. So we'll bring down the equal sign, bring down the D. D is equal to 60 degrees. Yay, S. So now your job is to go to number 16, and you're going to do this on your own. This is a 90-degree angle. We know that because of the square. You're going to set it equal to 90 degrees. All right, they're telling us that this angle is equal to 30 degrees, but what is J equal to? Okay, if you're having trouble figuring out the next steps, go back and look at how I did number 1. All right, number 2. What is the value of Y? What's the value of Y? Uh-oh. Y, there's not a measure over here for this angle, but there's a measure over here for this angle. I was going to say we could do the vertical angle thing. Let's do that. They're telling us that this is a, whoopsie, I wanted that to be yellow. They're telling us that this is a right angle, aren't they? So this is probably a right angle. But we want to know what Y is. This is a vertical angle. This is a vertical angle. So this angle here would be 50 degrees because it's a vertical angle to this angle. They're congruent. Okay, so if this is 50, I'm thinking that this is a right angle too. I'm thinking that that's a right angle too. So we could take 90, set it equal to 90, and you'd have Y plus 50. We're going to take the inverse operation, and what we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other. And so that gives us 40. Y equals 40 degrees. 40. Okay, so I'm looking for another one. Number 5 is kind of like that. Here's one. It's a straight line. Uh-oh, I'm going to undo that. That wasn't helpful. For some reason that didn't get all the way there. Okay. Number 3 is a straight line. Can you see this? It's a straight line. It's a straight line. So it's equal to 180 degrees. The whole angle is. They want us to solve for B. What's the value of B? They know, they're telling us that this angle is 86 degrees. This angle is 27 degrees. So let's add these angles up. Let's do that. We're going to add these angles up. Where's my calculator? Where's my calculator? Okay, I gave up on getting the calculator to display. 86 plus 27 degrees is 113. So B plus 113 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. What we do to one side, we do to the other. And we are going to get 67 degrees. That is our answer. Bring down the B, bring down the equal sign. B equals 67 degrees. Let's look for one that is like this, and you're going to do it. Yay, number 13 is a lot like number 3. We don't have to add two numbers together. We just have one number, right? This is a straight line, so it's equal to 180 degrees. We need to set it equal to 180 degrees. We're solving for P. We want to know what P is, so P plus 29.2, and what's the, oh, I'm going to stop there. We're going to do the inverse operation. I'm going to stop there. Okay, remember what we do to one side, we do to the other. Go back and look at number 3. I think I said number 4, but it's number 3. Go back and look at number 3 if you need to. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let me work number 4, and then, yeah, I'll have you work one that is like number 4. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Well, I see right away that we have a right angle. That's helpful, right? We know right angles are equal to 90 degrees. And we learned that this is a vertical angle as well. It's a vertical angle to this angle here. And when angles are vertical, they are complementary. They're the same size. So yeah, this is going to be a right angle as well. So now we're good to go. This equals 90 degrees, and this equals 90 degrees. Let's see. Well, hold on a minute. We can break it down even further and say that this angle here, that's 57 degrees, is vertical to this angle here. It's 57 degrees. Okay, they are complementary. They are vertical. Okay, so now we know this is 57, this is 57. So now we can solve for W. What is the value of W? We're going to solve for W. So this whole angle is equal to 90 degrees. So yay, we already have 90 degrees there. Plus 57, and we're solving for W. So we're going to do the inverse operation of addition and subtract. And then what we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other. And you can use a calculator if you want, but I'm going to try to use my brain. 33 degrees. So yeah, bring down the W, bring down the equals. W equals 33 degrees. Yay, S! Number 5 is very much like number 4. So I want you to work on your own. I want you to work this one on your own. This is a 90-degree angle. Well, I didn't mean for that to happen, but that's okay. This is 90 degrees. It's a right angle. We want to know what F is. Well, then this means that this is a 90-degree angle. And then this angle is going to be congruent with this angle. So that makes this angle 30 degrees. Okay, I'll go ahead and set it up for you some more. So we're going to set it equal to 90 degrees. We're solving for F. So F plus F. F plus 30. F plus 30 equals what? Okay. If you don't remember what to do after this step, take a look up here. Okay. I think I've worked enough problems, and since you have gotten a score of 90 or better on IXL for find measures of complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles, I think you're going to be good to go. But as always, I'll be circulating the room, checking your work. Peace out.